Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing just a little video, just talking to you guys, kind of like a vlog video, and this is going to be, I have a lot of makeup, I do, look at all of that, like, you can watch my makeup collection video, whatever, so yeah, yeah, so I'm going to do Project 5 pan, and the reason why I'm only doing 5 is because, I mean, I have a lot, but I love buying new stuff and trying out new stuff, so I'm only going to do 5. I've got, one, I have the ones that I hit pan on. So this one I hit pan on. I haven't completely, gone all of it, but this is just one. I'm going to put all my pan ones in there. I probably have hit pan on this because it doesn't come out anymore. It's my Revlon Just a Bit and stuff. So I might put that in there. It's hard to hit pan on like lipsticks and stuff. I don't know, I've hit pan on a couple of eyeshadows and things. I've hit pan on this because I broke it, but that doesn't really count. Like, I have to use it up, apparently. Can't, yeah, and I've hit pan on my liquid eyeliner. So I'm almost there, and I have hit pan on some of my mascaras. Yeah, nothing else I really hit pan on. I have a long way to go. I really do. I don't want to do 10 pan because, again, it'll be too hard for me, and I'll end up not even be able to do it. But room tour, makeup collection, and everything else coming up soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye.